Hello guys, welcome to Math Lesson 116. We're going to be doing pages 231 to 232. So the first part of our lesson says 9 as a divisor. So this just means that we're dividing things into groups of 9. Look at the green box at the top of your page. See a little animal there? That is a Matschie's tree kangaroo, in fact. And it is able to jump 60 feet from its perch in a tree to the ground without getting hurt. Do you realize how tall 60 feet is? That would be like if you took 10 of Mr. Mark, 10 people the same size as Mr. Mark, and you stacked them on top of each other. That's really, really tall. And a Matschie's tree kangaroo can jump that height, not get hurt. That's pretty cool that God created them that way. Now, when we use 9 as a divisor, you can see that you have some groups of leaves there that Matschie's tree kangaroo would eat. These leaves are in groups of 9. There are 36 total leaves with 9 in each group. So how many groups do you have? You have 4. So when you divide by 9, you're dividing things into groups of 9. So exercise 1 on page 231 is to write the quotients. Don't forget, when you have 0 divided by anything, your answer is always 0. For letter B, you have 9 divided by 9. Anything divided by itself is always 1. Very good. And then you can go from there. Number 2 says, solve the story problems. Letter A, when Chloe and her family went on vacation, the average speed for their car was 58 miles per hour. How many miles could they travel in 9 hours? Okay, so they were going 58 miles per hour. That means for every hour they traveled 58 miles. So if they traveled 9 hours, that means that it's 9 times 58. To find out how many miles they traveled. So put that in your workspace and solve. Then letter B says, Chloe had saved $40 to spend on souvenirs. So that would be like fun things like here, souvenirs are things like t-shirts and baseball caps, bookmarks, little boxes that say Roatan. Those are souvenirs. So she had saved $40 to spend on souvenirs. She spent $15.43 on the first day, $12.04 on the second day, and $9.79 on the third day. How much money does she have left? So I want to know her cambio from all the money she spent. So first I have to figure out how much money she spent. So in workspace B, I'm going to add up what she spent. $15.43 on the first day. She spent $12.04 on the second day. And $9.79 on the third day. I'm going to add that all up to find the total that she spent. To find her cambio, I know that she had $40. So I'm going to take this total and subtract it from $40 to find out how much she has left. Okay? So you'll do that in workspace B. Number 3 says find the fractional parts. Remember, all you have to do is divide your number by your denominator. All right, flip over your page. Page 232 says, reducing fractions by dividing by 6. Remember to reduce a fraction, divide the numerator, so the numero arriba, by the same number that you divide the denominator, the numero abajo. As long as you divide both numbers by the same number, you're good to go and you've reduced your fraction. So when you divide by 6, it's the same as dividing by any other number. Just make sure you divide both the top and the bottom, both the numerator and the denominator, by 6. So let's look at exercise 4, letter A. 6/36. So I'm going to divide the numerator, 6 divided by 6. what would my answer be? What is 6 divided by 6? 1, nicely done. Draw our fraction bar. What's 36 divided by 6? 6, very good. So 1/6 is my answer. All right, let's look at letter B. I have 12 over 18. Divide 12 by 6, you get 2. Draw our fraction bar. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Very good work. Okay. And letter C, 24 over 30. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Great job. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So you have 4/5. Excellent job. Okay. You're going to do letter D, which is 66 over 72 by yourself. 66 divided by 6, and then 72 divided by 6. Number 5 says divide and check. I will give you a hint. Letter A has a remainder, but letter B does not. Number 6 says follow the signs, add, subtract, and multiply. Let's look at the brain booster very quickly. Any plane figure made of straight lines is called a polygon. A plane figure is a flat shape, just like this card is flat. See that? Flat, no width. It's just a flat piece of paper, okay? This would be a plane shape because it's flat. A plane figure that's made of straight lines. So see how on this card you have straight lines, there's no curves? That's called a polygon. Is a triangle a polygon? Okay, a triangle looks like this. Is that a polygon? Well, it's flat and all of its sides are straight, so yes. Are all the quadrilaterals polygons? Remember, a quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides made of straight lines. They don't have to be parallel, but they are straight. So yes or no? Yes. Is a circle a polygon? Well, look at that. Its sides are round. So no, because a polygon has straight sides. Name another figure that is a polygon. So you need to think of one more shape, so one more forma, that is a polygon. So all of its sides are straight. All right, that's it for our lesson today. Another shorter one, so woohoo. All right, I will see you tomorrow for a review lesson. Bye.